Hello, I'm Shilpa, a student of Raja Sir at Lucid BLSI for Verilog. I have done my MTech from National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research in Chandigarh, and after that I was into the teaching in an engineering college. During teaching, I wanted to get some practical knowledge, so I was looking for some courses in digital system designs in VLSI domain, and I was looking for the courses in Chandigarh itself, but was not getting anything up to the mark. Then I got to know about Raja sir from my sister. She is working in Qualcomm presently, and when I talked to Raja sir, he told me about his classes that are online only. Initially, I was afraid to join the online classes because I wanted some interactive sessions, but when I attended Raja sir's demo classes, I was so impressed that I continued with Raja sir in batch 36. But each and every class of Raja sir is so contentful that we can't afford to miss even a single class. I missed some classes due to my personal problems, but and I was not able to cope up with course further. So I continued in batch 37, and now I'm feeling more confident, and I'm more excited to learn new things because there are so many concepts which are repeated in this batch. I have attended in earlier classes, and the sir's methodology is so different. Even after attending the same topic for the second time, we have a lot to learn from that in the same topic itself. So this is the most important and good thing of Raja sir, his teaching methodology, relating concept to the practical examples, taking some practical examples of our daily life, and then that practical example is related to the problem of digital, and that digital problem is designed on hardware on paper. Art of learning on paper is the major focus of Raja sir, because language can be learnt anywhere from any media. We have Google, we have many tutorials on internet, but the concept Raja sir is teaching us can never be found anywhere on the internet. And second thing I want to say, that Raja sir is so interactive during his classes that student have to learn each and everything there and then. He can ask any student to share their webcam, he can ask any student to share the screen, to ask questions or to fix our doubts anytime, anywhere. We have completed up to combinational circuits, and we have just started with flip-flops and counters, and we are very excited to learn new things with sequential circuits, as we think that sequential circuits are more difficult. But after attending classes with Raja sir, I can say that combinational circuits are also not so easy as I was thinking of earlier, because the each and every complex circuit can be designed using mux, comparator, and mux adder only. How sir used to teach using these three components, we can solve any complex circuit, is the best thing we are learning at Lucid VLSI. And Raja sir is so concerned about each and every student to learn and to implement our knowledge. He is giving us regular assignments, checking them, and giving feedback also, that how to continue that problem if we are facing. If we are not able to do that problem, then sir is guiding us so brilliantly. Anytime we can ask his assistant to fix our problems, and this is the most important thing a student need, assistance during his problems, that is available at Raja sir. And his teaching methodology is undoubtedly so different that we can't learn these things anywhere other than Lucid VLSI. And I want to recommend all the students who are looking for courses in digital system design should go for Verilog first with Raja sir, whether they want to do system, Verilog, UVM, or any higher course in VLSI domain. Initially, if they will attend Verilog with Raja sir, they can be able to design their own hardware, because language can be learned from the internet sources. There are so many tutorials available, but the way Raja sir teaches us is so different that we can learn syntax for any advanced language. But the digital system hardware sir is teaching on the paper is best and most efficient thing for all the VLSI seekers or VLSI job seekers in VLSI domain. Thank you.